Hello, I'm David Rosenwax, Marketing Manager of Miracle Filtration. Today we are here to talk to you about best quality fried foods, which are achievable by the latest technology in fry oil filtration. Your company name is achieved by quality product and best quality fried food. Today we are going to show you how to achieve the best results through the Miracle Fry Oil Filter System. This is a typical 4-vat fryer system. Some restaurants will have 3 vats, some will even have 1 vat. A typical fryer having a filter box at the bottom, sets of valves and pumps. At the moment we have now heated the oil to a good filtering temperature of beyond 135 degrees. Alternately, as using a frying oil filter inbuilt system, you can use a wheel-up system such as this, where you can again dump the oil into the filter machine by using a filter paper. Again, you dump the oil into the tank, recycling the oil for 5 minutes through a filter paper such as this. The oil goes through the paper, comes up the up pipe, out the hose system, back into the fryer. Once you've dumped that and recycled, again you then return the oil back into the fryer thus. The filter paper goes in the bottom of the filter tank, so we then, as we have already done, put powder by casting it evenly over the filter paper. As you can see, once we've emptied the whole sachet of powder into there, we then spread evenly with our spatula, creating an even cake over the filter paper. The weight then goes on top of the filter paper to avoid the filter paper from floating and lifting during the filtering process. We then put the pre-strainer and pre-filter back in to the unit. This is to catch the large lumps as they fall out of the fryer. We then close the drawer. So, this is one method. The second method is, as we're going to show you under demonstration, the casting of the powder into the fry oil, into the vat system itself. We will then cast the powder into the fryer as such. You can notice the foaming process as the magnesium silicate powder will then settle to the bottom. Once we've put the filter aid powder into the fats, we then turn all of the fats off because we are now got the required temperature. The next process is now to dump the oil into the fryer. Inserting the shower into the outlet at the back of the port, at the back of the fryer. We then insert the shower. We now turn the machine on by turning the pump on. You'll now notice the oil will be coming down into the vat system and dropping into the filter tank. We will recycle for 3 to 5 minutes. Finish recycling for 5 minutes. We close the pump valve, close the oil valve, and we can now fill the tank up. We're now filling the vat up, removing the shower. lowering the elements back in. And returning the grid plate. This procedure goes through each vat until the end. We're opening the filter tank drawer to show you the amount of carbon that's been collected. You can see the filter paper. This is the carbon sitting on the filter powder that we have collected. At the end of the day now, we take all this out, dump the filter paper and return a new filter paper for tomorrow's activity. Wheeling the dump trolley into the frying filter machine. We've now dumped all of the oil from the end vat into the filter machine.